AI can now build websites, create apps, even write thousands of lines of code in seconds. So, should you still learn coding in 2026 and in 2027? The answer might surprise you. It's easy to understand why so many people think coding is dying. AI can build websites from a simple prompt. It can create mobile apps in minutes. It fixes bugs almost instantly. It even explains complicated code better than most tutorials. Every week, AI becomes faster and smarter, so naturally people are asking one question: has AI made learning to code obsolete? But here's what AI still struggles with. It doesn't understand your business like you do. It can't invent great products without human ideas. Someone still has to review, improve, and secure the code. Clients don't just pay for code, they pay for solutions. Great developers solve problems, not just programming tasks. That's why companies aren't replacing developers. They're looking for developers who know how to use AI. So what are companies actually looking for in 2027? They're not hiring people who memorize thousands of lines of code. They're hiring people who can build real products faster with AI. Developers who understand users, solve problems, and deliver results. AI is becoming a powerful teammate, not a replacement. The most valuable programmers won't write every line themselves. They'll know exactly when to trust AI and when not to. That's the developer every company wants to hire. So if you're starting today, what's the smartest way to learn? First, master programming logic, not just syntax. Then use AI to speed up your learning, not replace it. Build real websites, apps, and software projects. Always understand the code before you use it. The more projects you build, the more valuable you'll become. A strong portfolio will always beat a long list of certificates. That's how you prepare for a successful coding career in 2027. So which programming languages should you learn? Start with Python because it powers AI, automation, and data science. Learn JavaScript if you want to build modern websites and web applications. Understand SQL because almost every application depends on data. And don't ignore HTML and CSS. They're still the foundation of the web. You don't need to master every language. Master the fundamentals. Use AI wisely and keep building real projects. That's the fastest path to becoming a valuable developer in 2027. So, should you learn coding in 2026 and 2027? Absolutely, but don't learn coding the way people did 10 years ago. Learn how to solve problems, learn how to build real projects, and learn how to use AI as your most powerful tool. The future belongs to developers who combine human creativity with artificial intelligence. If you can do that, you'll stay ahead for years to come.